Let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for June, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us release, we have Lepidolite. Lepidolite carries a deeply calming, soothing energy that is perfect for quieting an overactive mind. It supports emotional balance, reduces anxiety, and gently stills the kind of mental noise that makes it hard to hear yourself think. One of the things that makes lepidolite especially fascinating is that it contains a high concentration of lithium, the same element used in some medications to regulate mood and reduce anxiety, which speaks to why working with a stone can feel so genuinely grounding. Hold it during moments of mental clutter or anxiety, keep it near your bed for relaxation, or use it while journaling to help you process your thoughts with more calm and clarity. I can tell you from personal experience one very specific time when I noticed how well this stone worked for me. I had a very difficult boss, and it kept me calm throughout the day when I would normally be very aggravated. But it really helped me like keep my cool when she was driving me crazy. And I highly, highly recommend it. And I did test this out wearing it one day, not the next, and then wearing it again, and it truly made a difference. Try it out. I think you'll really like it.